people, as time don't go, we go quick come talk the few things where we go feel learn for today before we do our live video tomorrow, and how we could take advice on how it be for marriages. Because right now it already clear now to us say as marriage it be before for our parents' time, not be so it be now. Many things don't change. Whether or not the women don't change, or whether or not the men they do the bad things now, we don't know. Now make these two people there our studio to come explain to us where they happen. But today we not finish and we'll come back again to come finish them. But for now, I go still ask my sister here, Janella, say, as it be now, say it don't clear, say, all of us there here now, we don't unanimously agree, say, as marriages be for our parents' time, not be so it be now. Many things don't change. But the things will change the marriage, we make another last again, we don't know. Now the things we want to discuss. So I go let you enlighten us on that a little bit and how we fit help the situation small before we go. So that tomorrow when we come back, we will come digest the matter, spread and where. So you could just tell us small thing now before we close the show today.
Okay, my people, now welcome back home.
Thank
really
you,
appreciate
sister.
you now. Now welcome. The thing we say, marriage, like we said before, now two people they come together to make marriage work. Marriage not be only one person they make can work. Woman getting fault, why not they work? Man getting your own fault. The only little advice now I get to give, which is if you really ready for marriage, you know the man where you marry, take him as you see him. Everybody gets your own mistake for life when you they make. We all know, but none of us when they create perfect. You say I perfect 100%.
Yeah.
But before you marry this person, I dare sure say you see all these faults and you take them. Make you not gonna let them change. Sometimes friends, you go say, oh, my friend husband they do like this, so my own must do like this.
Yes.
No. Your friend no be you. The day when your friend go die, you no go like to die for now. So the day when they born your friend, no be that day they born you. There's a lot of things when women that influence, don't let outside influence. Men too, not be say you won't come use ego, scatter your own home. Where your friends did. For some men they shame no they let them treat their wife right in front of their friends.
Yes.
They believe say that they belittle themselves.
Yeah.
So if man feel overlook all these things and treat his wife exactly how he's supposed to treat him, I think we're not gonna get many problems. Now just to make the two people come together. What it matters for marriage? Now those two people, the two of them, husband, wife. Okay. Forget everything. Some people go say, oh, now some women go just born. The next thing they go just say, now they are picking their love. Now they don't love husband. But you don't forget, say before these children come,
you don't love the
man. So what in change? Same thing with women. Oh, my picking. You don't forget the man.
Yes.
With neglect.
Our interview, before I come, my quick continuation. Our interview when we go for street that day, we ask some women say, what did it? Because this question when you ask, what did it happen before the children come? The love job, that did it happen. So women let us know say their husband they cheat, so they don't feel love man where they cheat. I want to ask you now this question. We don't say cheating not good though, but if man cheats and woman catch him, the love will just die like that. Now so the love easy. I be love no fair day.
I don't believe say love they die like that. Say because you catch man cheat, unless say the love don't die before. Like I always tell people, women know they live relationship physically in the first place. Now emotionally, woman they live first. So maybe that woman don't leave that relationship long time ago emotionally. So now the man can't go physically cheat when she can't catch him. She don't give up. She don't already go. Now she they go. Because you know if you just tell me say because today somebody error you just catch and yes, easier said than done. So I don't hear women go say I know if you do my husband just cheat. Look, women when they talk like that and they forgive pass. Then they talk and just to boost their own ego amongst their own friends. But if they go behind the scene, some of them go even end up now then they beg the men.
Yes.
Behind
the
cheat.
The woman see
yes,
the
go beg them. So women we they very complicated. But a woman will know herself. When know herself, yes, go show to the man, say this thing when you do they wrong. Depending on how in a relationship,
but go leave the man.
There not be all instances you go leave the man. Because a lot of things lead to cheating. Cheating is bad. I know they talk say cheating a better thing. I don't see people where we say cheating and bring them back together. They don't almost fall apart. Go, they don't disregard their relationship. But when the man or the woman step out, they can't see the value of their relationship. So sometimes cheating not necessarily be the end all of a relationship.
But an advantage of cheating, like one of the advantage of cheating, that be the one we talk so.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. I could just pass to my brother now. I go start for where our Madam Nafo earned her own gist. That advantage of cheating. What do you see for the matter? Cheating get advantage.
Advantage of what?
Of cheating. Like what did she talk?
No.
And when me don't experience too.
If you put up,
when man and woman, they know the two respect that say they don't marry. Like my papa go talk, my papa say, "Na see finish." I never see even talk about that one. No, me go even talk about my own marriage. Waiting we know so na see finish. They make marriage not they work. We go come explain that one to now. We go explain what we mean by see finish because husband and wife they see themselves finish. Now that one is spoil the thing. We will come explain.
Sorry, before you continue, I will correct that. You can't say advantage. Cheating no get advantage.
No.
It's just
For you,
one of the things when it, if it's the contributing factor
sometimes.
in making two people.
but for
stronger.
me now, as double chief for Barago TV, me go say that one are one of the advantages because we dey find anything we go make the marriage work.
Okay.
When we don't know, say sometimes the marriage not go work, but when one don't step out, they'll come regard themselves, they'll come know the what about that person. Say that now we know say this person is worth it. So he help. So for that point, as the if that the woman or the man step out, he help the home.
Separation.
You go use separation. Yes, if you now want find out whether na fit help each other, if it be separation.
Yeah.
Why I say cheating not get advantage?
Now the word they are not now.
Yes.
The language.
No.
They never
Cheating.
separate. Then they the same roof. Then
Cheating.
still they
Cheating.
When married.
When cheating take place now, when what be cheating?
When
You can't cheat on somebody when not like you now.
no, you fit. As far as you stay, you and the person they in
Yeah,
This is what
relationship.
I'm saying. There is cheating. I'm cheating the paper that we signed.
Mhm.
You get some people, if they catch you cheating, they're not going to worry. They might be happy because I'm not even discuss that one. They might be happy. Maybe they have been looking for an excuse for this thing to end
That's
since
another topic, yes.
the now you have given me the bomb that I need to fire.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is this. So to that person, you're not cheating. You're happy. That at least you don't get somebody that they don't want you again. You know, sometimes relationships they scatter like that.
Yes.
So what I'm saying is this: cheating is when somebody else good day hurt,
Mm.
and it is what makes the cheating sweet.
Mm.
If God could come down to some men when say they like girlfriends, they like all this outside this thing. If God could come down to them and show them say if they go meet those other girls, their wife they party for house. Their wife know, but their wife not give a shit. Their wife not care for them. Their wife.
They
If
must
God
sit
can
down
meet their
for
wife, those men.
Those not for
Come for house and they don't cheat again for the rest of their life.
If they don't say that wife not care about
Yeah,
that
so you see,
cheating.
cheating sometimes is an egocentric thing. It's not necessarily the other person that you're seeing there. It's just a big. Some men used to big manize themselves. Waiting. You quarrel with me and they go, I feel catch woman.
Yes.
I feel catch that woman. What?
But reason being, you don't say this our wife will see the talk. So women cases we don't see. Man and woman go the house. The woman go they belittle the man when the man be king for outside.
Yes.
All those ones are saying another
all those that
thing
change
we
the
talk
time.
about.
So you see, that's why you have to understand, marriage is an institution where you don't have any
Hard work.
You know they graduate. And my advice to especially young couples who are trying to get this thing, two things I will tell you is this. Like the man I said, one of them, now only 12 now know myself.
Yeah.
Your papa, your man said never know each other.
No.
Because the girl is going to be telling her own people's story, you are telling your own people's story.
Yeah.
Avoid
You
that as
understand
well.
me?
Avoid that.
So you avoid those people. That's what I'm trying to say. Because of saying I tough than I said, try to be educated to know each other so well that you can settle your quarrel. One.
Yes.
Then two, this is especially to my African brethren, especially Nigerians and the women especially. Please remove pastor from the house.
Pastor.
It's a third party.
Remove pastor.
Then they go report to pastor.
Yeah, I say remove pastor from your house. No pastor, no pass you. No your husband pass you. Or no your wife pass you.
No.
Never.
No.
True.
Some churches for Nigeria they flog you. If you go tell pastor
Listen
say
to me.
your
You
husband,
know why I say
they
make
go
I
call
do
your
this?
husband, they go flog him.
For what now?
Those ones when know what I talk, know what I mean. Remove pastor. Me don't find that is one of the biggest causes of divorce and wahala for house.
Because sometimes if those pastor eye the day your wife say,
Thank you.
you know they know.
There was one that was telling the wife go to meet her for prayer. They can't tell the husband went to meet this pastor for prayer. The husband say he won't get big job for oil company. Then the husband come to us, okay, make you pray. Now he can't pray. Now he can't tell this one make him drink him wife peace. But make him not sleep with his
Please,
wife.
sorry, I'm laughing.
Eh?
This what?
In Nigeria. life.
He say make the husband dey drink
Seriously?
wine.
Give the wife peace.
But make not
but
sleep
make
with
you
the
not
wife.
sleep with the
Then
wife.
he will be the pastor.
Then later on,
he go dey help
no,
am dey.
for years later, when the man don't do that shit, he now found out why the pastors tell us to make him not sleep with him.
Then the pastor you only
Because
sleep
the
with
pastor
her.
was not the organ of the wife. That is just
But
one.
why would I take an advice like that for a man like from a man like me?
Let's leave that topic.
God bless you, my
Let's-
sister.
see,
That
let's-
na topic for another day,
let's
my
leave
brother.
that topic.
We
That
go
is-
come
that is the
come to
fanatism of
the.
Christianity. I don't
We
know.
go come try
So
to
I'm saying-
cut these things
so
here
let's say
now
good
because
pastor,
of
good pastor, yeah.
time. My brother, Mr. Mankes, that's Zinkton. Thank you very much. My sister here, Princess Daniela. God will bless you for honoring us. This one at Parako Talk Show. Now still na lawyer boy, double chief. As today here, we don't come to the end of the show. Tomorrow we will come back for another segment where we will bring our other girls. We will come explain to us about marriages. Tomorrow's segment could be 2 women for the show. They will come explain to us how it be, and we will come talk about why men they marry more than one wife. Some men don't talk say that they enjoy them, say it did better for them, it give them peace. While some other men don't talk say it not better for them. Say one wife when they get already, it be like 4. They don't want add joiner. If they add joiner, that problem they go die. So we'll constantly talk about that one. Why many wives they give some men peace, they give some men. We'll talk about that one tomorrow. But for now, we'll tell and say thank you very much for watching our viewers. Una can comment. Una can send us email for parakotalkshow@gmail.com to send your own opinion. If you follow us on Facebook, na Parako Talk Show or Parako Nation. For YouTube, if you watch our full clip for YouTube, na Parako Talk Show or Parako Nation. My people, now thank you very much. Tomorrow we will do our